Hello and welcome to the Risborough District Model Railway Club YouTube channel. On Saturday 28th September 2024 we will be hosting an exhibition at Haddenham Village Hall on Banks Road in Haddenham. Doors will open at 10 a.m. Entrance to the exhibition is priced at only £6 for adults and £1 for children. Although there is limited free parking available at the Village Hall, visitors are encouraged to use the local X20 bus service. The exhibition will feature several layouts in a variety of scales, as well as a small selection of traders and club demonstrations. First up with the layouts, we have Tedburn St Mary. This 00 gauge layout has featured in Hornby magazine and represents a West Country GWR branch line terminus set in 1947. It features authentic rolling stock, period buildings and cameo scenes, as well as operating signals, a working wagon turntable and even a swinging station platform. Also in 00 gauge, we present Loughborough Road Engine Shed. This DC-controlled pre-grouping Midland and London North Western Railway layout covers an operating period from 1875 to 1930. It depicts a small engine shed with limited engineering facilities and a small turntable, suitable for the period for a shed supporting a nearby suburban terminus. Again in 00 gauge we have Mothercombe, exhibited by the High Wycombe and District Junior Section Modelers. Mothercombe is a quiet through station on a rural line somewhere in South Devon, close to the coast and Plymouth, and is operated in both GWR, SR or BR periods. At either end, fiddle yards feed trains through the layout. A bay platform is provided for the local push-pull service and a small yard serves the local community. Lee Town is an 00 gauge cameo layout owned by club member Kevin Wood and inspired by Lee Bridge and Silverton Tramway in East London. The layout oozes character and depicts a Docklands branch terminus with an adjacent light freight working set in the era between 1979 and 1981. In 00 gauge we have East Wittering, built by club member Kelvin White. The layout represents a planned but unbuilt section of the West Sussex Light Railway in the period 1927 to 1930. Also in 00 gauge we present Oakmont Quarry, which is being constructed by club members as a contribution to a larger 00 gauge Guild modular layout project. The layout depicts a small yard and engine shed based on Meldon Quarry on the Southern Railway. Finally, in N gauge we present Friedel, built by club member Rick Lee. The layout measures some 5 foot by 2.5 feet and demonstrates what can be built in a very small area. In addition to layouts, there will be a small selection of traders offering new and second-hand items for sale, including locomotives, rolling stock, books, magazines and control systems. Club members will be on hand to demonstrate their modelling skills and will gladly answer any questions you may have about our hobby. Should you wish to take a break from the activities, a good selection of teas, coffees and cold light refreshments will be available to purchase, including an extensive choice from our celebrated homemade cake selection. Our Haddenham exhibition offers a model railway treat for all the family. Further details of the exhibition can be found on our website at www.rdmrc.org.uk. We look forward to seeing you soon.